Well, here we are. Demolition Day. Yep, just like at the Blue Lagoon when we knocked the cabin down. We got another piece of work to do. Anyway, I'm going to hand the phone to Scotty and I'm going to try to pull one end of this thing. Yep. We'll see what happens. Whoops. Well, we love it when a plan falls apart. I mean, comes together. Yeah, betcha. Anyway.
Discontinued on this particular model.
You bet. Hey, I got it right where I wanted it. Okay. Well, now we'll pause this and I'm going to run the strap through the building and I'm going to try to pull the whole building over here. We'll see. Yeah, time will tell. All right. Now we're going to run the strap through the building and try to yank the whole thing out of there. We'll see how that goes. Yeah. We're gonna hook a Chevrolet to it and make it work. You bet. Okay, part 2, here we go. We got the Chevrolet hooked up to it. All right, Scotty. Yeah, don't touch the screen there.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. We'll see how much of it goes. Whoops.
It's a thing of beauty.
You betcha. Ha! Hey, there's a shed missing. Somebody stole our shed. This is just like the Blue Lagoon. Great big mess. Anyway, well, now we got something to work on. Anyway, love you all. Remember to stay safe. Wash your flippers often. Have a wonderful Sunday. Love you. Bye.